If you're just starting out in the UK and want to grow your money long term, here are 5 beginner-friendly investments to consider. Now, first, a global index fund. Now, it spreads your money across thousands of companies worldwide, keeping things simple and diversified. Next, you got UK government bonds or gilts, lower risk, steady returns, great for balance. Third, you got real estate investment trusts or REITs. They let you, what is that? Oh, yeah, REITs. Okay. They let you invest in property without actually buying a house. Fourth, dividend paying stocks. They offer long term growth plus a steady income. And finally, stocks and shares ISA, not an investment itself, but a tax free wrapper that protects your gains. Start small, stay consistent, and think long term. You don't need to be an expert to stay in the game and follow for more no fluff investing tips made for UK beginners. And yeah, if you like this video, you know what to do. Go hit that like button, subscribe, comment for any question or video that you want me to go ahead and make a video on about. And like always, take care of yourself, guys. And until then, I'll catch you in the next video.